Hey, I gotta tell you something. This little microphone that you think you're talking into during your virtual meetings isn't doing squat. Keep listening, and I'll tell you why and what you can do about it. If you're a seller or pretty much anyone who works from a computer, during this time you've been in exponentially more virtual meetings than ever before. With that comes the challenge of video and audio, and trying to look and sound as good as we normally do in person. For many of us, that meant grabbing the little earbuds that we'd use for our mobile phones. And for iPhone users, which is about 45% of you, that meant grabbing the little white earbuds that you used to use, but no longer have a use for since your phone doesn't accept that plug anymore. And it's a pretty good thought. They got speakers, they have a microphone, just like a real audio conferencing headset does. But here's the deal, if you're plugging those into a Windows-based PC and then connecting to your virtual meetings, the speakers are going to work just great. However, the microphone isn't doing anything, and you probably sound a lot like this. Alright guys, are you ready to get started? Can everyone see my presentation? Alright, can you hear me okay? And the reason your microphone's not working at all is due to the little connector on the end. Yeah, I know, it plugs into your computer and fits just fine, but not all plugs and jacks are created equal. iPhone headsets and pretty much any other headphones built for mobile devices use what's called a TRRS plug. Many older laptops and PCs simply aren't built with jacks that receive that type of plug. Newer laptops are being built with the right type of jack, and some headphones with microphones may work well with these. However, if you're using the Apple earbuds, in most cases, these are still not going to work as a microphone with most Windows-based PCs due to some proprietary configurations by Apple. So if I'm describing your current situation, what can you do about it? Well, first of all, it's not all for naught. By at least using headphones, you're sparing your colleagues from echo and feedback that might be coming from the speakers on your PC into the microphone built into your PC. Another silver lining is that if you are using an Apple PC or an Apple laptop, you're in luck. These computers are built with the proper type of jack to accept the usage of these headsets, and your microphone is working just fine. The real solution is this. Invest a little bit into this new way of working because it's not going away anytime soon. A good USB-based headset like this, or even a set of wireless headphones such as Apple AirPods or something similar, are going to be a huge step in the right direction for your audio quality. If you're selling virtually right now, hearing what your clients have to say and allowing them to hear you clearly should be your first priority. You don't have to spend a lot on a headset to sound great. Some of my favorite inexpensive options are the Logitech H390 and the Plantronics Blackwire 5200 series. Let's wrap this up. You need to hear what your client has to say. And you have the information and solutions to help them out greatly, so let them hear you clearly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you know someone who might be struggling with their audio in virtual meetings or presentations, maybe send this video on to them. Also, if you like these sales tech tips and tricks, please subscribe to the channel. I'll try to keep more coming. And if you have tips and tricks of your own or questions you think I might be able to help you answer, put them in the comments. Thanks a lot. Catch you soon.